Hey Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guess what? I have a massive, massive trade that's in here. I traded something that y'all didn't think I was going to be able to trade. I kind of didn't think I was going to be able to trade. And Millisa from Simply Lady M didn't think I was going to be able to trade, but we did. So if you want to know what I traded, you're going to have to go to her channel and I'll link it in the description box and you'll have to go find out what she got for giving me these items. So if you're interested on what I have in here, then come back in just a little bit. Okay, Bean Beauties, let's get started. Alrighty, so I have an unboxing coming up, and this was like one of the last things that I was waiting for, so that when I open those items, then I have stuff to play with. So I'm really excited about this. Let's see if I got it. Okay. So in here is, like I said, is a trade with Simply Lady M. Okay. I did it good. And this is how she packed it. She put a little note. I was doing good to get it out, get my part out to her, so she didn't really have anything extra in there. I don't even know if I wrote a note or not. Ugh, I hope I did, but I probably didn't. I probably didn't. I'll text you, Millisa. I'll text you. So let me just say this, just a really quick little short story time. Uh, this collab is going to come out before I do my year two, either live and or unboxing. And I was not feeling well on the day that I was supposed to go live. I'm so sorry about that, y'all. I just was not feeling well, and I just couldn't get it done. But I'm a little bit better today. Today is Saturday, Saturday, April the 26th. And this is going to go up Tuesday if everything goes all right. So this says, Dee Dee, this is so exciting. I thought you would never part with her. I hope you enjoy what's in the boxes and think of me every time. I will think of you every time I look at my new beauty. Thank you. Love you always, Millisa. Aww, isn't it pretty? She's got beautiful penmanship. Oh, you can see the sneak peek. The sneak peek. Look at that. It's orange boxes. Dun, 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 dun. One. Packed very well, very well. Dun, 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 dun. Two. Dun, 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 dun. Three. Okay. Good job. And we're going to toss that for later. Okay. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Can y'all guess what this is? Some of you LV aficionados would know what comes in these boxes. If I saw these boxes, I wouldn't know what came in here. But some of y'all might. And at this time code, put in the description box and let me know. Let me know your thoughts and your dreams. Alrighty, so I'm going to mix them up. We're going to set them here. Will be too distracting if I keep them all here. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the first one. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's like a full set. Here is the paperwork with from Louis Vuitton, her receipts and all that kind of stuff she put in here. And then in here is how it looks. This is so exciting. I need a camera from above. I'm so excited. Oh, here's the tag. Yes, it is. What is LV call them? Their twillies are from Hermes. Mitzvahs are from Dior. So they're bandos, right? Yeah, bandos are from LV. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure y'all will love to. So, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. She's used these. She's had them on her bags. She ties them on a bag. They find a home on one of her bags and they live there. And sometimes they go out and see the world and sometimes they don't. This is in excellent condition. Caleb, it has a tag. She didn't take the tag off. I just really, really like this. Look at that. Very pretty. So then you know what the other two are. So we're going to just lay this out here. Okay. Then number two. Same setup. Ta-da. Here is the paperwork. Here is the little sticker and the tags. Here it is in the tissue. Oh, look at that. It's so much even prettier in person. Oh my gosh. It's so much prettier in person. The pictures you sent me. Look, it says Louis Vuitton right there. Louis Vuitton right there. And I love that. I made the tower out of the suitcases. They're suitcases. And they put an umbrella on the top for the topper. Oh my gosh, that is fantastic. Fantastic. So see, this one was on tied. You can tell she had it tied to a bag. Look at that. Ah. And then here it is over on this side. Let's go this way so you can see. Look at that. So they have the continuity. They have the actual tower over here, and then they built it out of the cases on this side. And then on here, this is one of my favorite prints. I really would like on-pront leather in this color, a piece with this design. I really like that. Really like that. So I like how basically you have two scarves in one because they have a design on either side. I absolutely adore this. Okay, so there we go. That's number two. So y'all are probably wondering, what did Dee Dee trade? What could she have traded? I don't know. You're going to have to go watch Millisa's. Here's a third one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Paperwork. Here it goes. This one even still has a little thing that says Louis. It says Louis. And has a tag in here too. Has the other tag in here too. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Look at that. When she showed me this one, I was like, oh my gosh. And when we were talking about trading, I didn't know, I really didn't know. I don't know much about, about how much these cost. I mean, I've looked at them before, so I roughly knew how much they cost, but I didn't know what she had in her mind. And then when she said, 3 of them for your item, I think she says, is more than fair. And I was like, oh, 3 of them? I don't have to choose because I thought I was going to get 2. And then 2 and then maybe something else because I thought maybe she was going to keep them. But see, I'm going high-end luxury, all pre-loved though, all pre-loved. And she's going back to contemporary. I'm like, we're switching roles because when I first started 2 years ago, she was unboxing Louis and I was unboxing Dooney and Burke and then Coach. Now it's kind of opposite. I'm still unboxing Dooney and Burke and Coach, but I'm unboxing Louis along the way, as you can tell, So this has the red in it. And that's what's great about Melissa's collection is that her and I both have the same power color. So it's really easy because we definitely have things to match in our collection, in our respective collections. Oh, look at that. I like that. So definitely can be worn in multiple ways. Look at that. Oh gosh. Love, love, love that. I think this one. Ah! I don't know if I can pick it up. What do y'all think? Ah! Oh, so now y'all will have to go over to Melissa's channel, check out her video, and then let her know, and maybe come back here too and tell me, did I do good? Did she do good? Who do you think came out better? I love the piece that I traded with her. It doesn't work for me. It didn't work from day one, and she should have had it to begin with. Melissa, you should have had it to begin with. There was a little faux pas in between. We had a little mix up with, somebody else. Um, there was a little mix up with somebody else wanting the piece, and so that sale ended up falling through. And then we just sat. We both decided, you know what? It was too much drama, too much commotion. So we just sat with it for a while, and I enjoyed it. You know me. I'm like not cost per. I'm not cost. I'm not cost per wear. I'm a cost per look. So I paid that baby off like that within a month. But so it was fine and happy in this sitting here in my collection. But I don't know what got us thinking about it. She was just talking about purging her collection. She was trying to hone things in. She was talking about really not wanting any more luxe kind of stuff. She knew what my unboxing that's coming up is going to be about, and she said, "You know what? I know some things that will go great with that because I was looking at these online in the pre-love market, not these particular ones, but these items, the bandeaus." And so she said, "What about?" And she goes, puts laughing. I went, "Ooh, I'm interested. I'm interested." So we struck a deal. We struck a deal, and I'm flabbergasted. So these are something that will never leave my collection. Uh, Jackie always says, "Never say never." But for right now, in the here and now, they're never gonna leave my collection. They're never gonna leave my collection. I adore each piece. They're all part of her collection, so they all have a piece of her intertwined in them, and that means the world to me. So I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you will stick around for another year. And let's see if we can hit. Um, I'm at 1,300. Do you think we can hit 2,000 by summer? Let's see if we can hit 2,000 by summer. Let's set a goal. Let's set a goal. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye bye.